This is Marjorie Valencia, your tutor. Today, we'll talk about the mathematical language and symbols. Let's now begin. What is language? Language is a system of a conventional spoken, manual, or written symbols by which means of human beings as a member of a social group and participants in its culture express themselves. Mathematics has its own language, which is make it easy to express its thought. We use math in our everyday life. For example, budgeting your allowance for a week and to determine time. So what is mathematical language? Mathematical language is the system used by a mathematician to communicate mathematical ideas among themselves. This language consists of a substrate of some natural language, for example English, using technical terms and grammatical conventions that are peculiar to mathematical discourse, supplemented by a highly special symbolic notation for mathematical formulas. There are three characteristics of mathematical language: precise, concise, and powerful. Precise, able to make very fine distinction based on definition. Example, a diamond is different to triangle based on definition. A diamond has 4 sides, while triangle has only 3 sides. Precise means accurate or exact. There are many symbols in mathematics. First is the knowing the context. 702 will be read 72 in the context of time, and 702 if pertaining to number. Another is different usage of degrees in angle measure, temperature, and bearing. We should also know mathematical convention. A mathematical convention is a fact, name, notation, or usage which is generally agreed upon mathematicians. For example is the PEMDAS rule. The order of operation is a rule that tells the correct sequence of steps for evaluating math expressions. We can remember the order using PEMDAS, the parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division from left to right, addition and subtraction from left to right. They have been used by mathematician learners in many years. The most commonly symbols in the mathematics are the following: 10 digits 1, 2, 3, and so on. The basic operations: addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication. The set: intersection, union, subset, and superset. The variables: any letter from alphabet that represents value, A, B, C, D, and so on. The special symbol: equal, not equal, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, and greater than or equal to. Aside from being precise, mathematical language is also concise, able to say briefly. Example, twice the number 4 is 8 equals 16. Instead writing twice the number 4 is 8 equals 16, we can briefly write it by 2 times 8 is equal to 16. That is being concise. Here are some other English translation of mathematical expressions and sentences. Being familiar with this will be helping you to understand mathematical language. And lastly, mathematical language is powerful, able to express complex thoughts with relative ease.